Hey everybody, what's going on? It's me, John D. Villarreal, and today I'm talking about the VCUTECH drone landing pad. This thing is awesome. I've been using it for a while. I love it. It's the main thing I use for a drone landing pad. First, I have to say a few things about this. Number one, this video is sponsored by VCUTECH. Number two, I paid for this with my own money. And number three, these are my own true, honest opinions. So let me show you what this looks like. What I love about this is it's pretty compact. It folds up very easily. You can see that right here. This is the 25-inch model. This is very bright on both sides. I think it's easy to see. It's also weighted and it's waterproof. So if I put it down, you can see it fold down right just like that. Okay, so it makes it very, very easy. And again, you can just easily fold it up and it's great. Okay, let me show you here. You can just drop it because it's weighted and it's nice. So it stays in place if the, it helps if the wind hits it, and also it helps with placement with uneven ground. So I really like it a lot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show my drone here. I'm gonna do a takeoff and a landing very quickly. I really like it a lot. The only thing I could even want at this point, just because I have a bigger drone, is I wish it was just a little bit bigger. That's about it. Other than that, it's so good. I really love this thing a lot, but it works great. Let me show you how this works. Okay, you can see right here, I've got a DJI Air 3, and it definitely fits on the landing pad. So it's plenty of space here on the VCUTECH drone landing pad, and it's great. Okay, obviously, it's like I said, I wish it was just a little bit bigger, but it is very, very good. And it's it's a mix between definitely enough size and compact. I got the bigger one. I just love this thing. It's so great. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a quick takeoff, and then I'm gonna land it, and you can see what that looks like. Takeoff. There you go. Home point update. Okay, so you can see what that looks like. Now, it works great. Now, if I were to land it, we'll just go straight down and you'll see what this looks like and how it operates. Oh, no, see, I messed up. That's okay. This is actually good because it'll show you what it's like landing it. Now, I like to check it from all sides. We're looking good. And we're gonna land it straight down. So that's actually what's good, to show you what it's like when you have to maneuver it yourself after a flight. And we're gonna go down. Perfect. You can't ask for better than that. This thing's awesome. I really love the VCUTECH drone landing pad. And again, it's great, it's weighted, and it's waterproof, and it's also reversible with both sides. I think this thing is absolutely, absolutely awesome. I'm gonna show you a couple different surfaces, just putting this thing on it. I won't launch the drone from that, but I'll show you like taller grass, things like that, just so you can see it. But on a 1 to 10, for me, this is an easy 9.85. It is fantastic in the class that it's in. It's awesome. The only thing I could want, again, for a bigger drone, is I just wish it was just a little bit bigger. I don't mind the extra space. Like if it could come out here, I would feel a lot more comfortable with the bigger drones. But for a Mini 3, even an Air 3, I mean, this has never failed me. It's been great. I love it. I've launched a lot of drones off it, and I'm gonna keep using it. I think this thing's phenomenal. Okay, here now you see we've got grass and sort of an uneven surface. And this is really also where the VCU drone landing pad really helps out. And see here, I'm gonna use the orange side, and again, it's weighted. So here you can see with the grass, I can just flop this down, and it gives a nice, more solid, more even landing surface here. So again, it's not super heavy, but it's heavy enough. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna give you much better. And again, you look at somewhere like here, and again, you wanna obviously choose what you're doing, but it shows you how it can kind of, the weighting and the surface can really help out when you're out in the field. Something like that would be, I could use something like that. So this is definitely where I think it really shines with this kind of surface. Reversible, waterproof, and weighted. It's really good. Similarly, if I was gonna use this on asphalt, I could just put it right down here, and there you go. And then it's set right there. And again, it gives me a surface that I can then use on a harder surface, on asphalt or concrete or something like that, and I can launch from there. I love it. Your family may love it as well. I've launched so many drones off this. I love it. I'm totally confident with this thing. I just wish it were just a little bit bigger. Maybe they'll make another one just to give the option for the consumers out there. But this thing is phenomenal. I love it. Your family may love it as well. That's my opinion. I'm John D. Villarreal. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.